Hi, I'm Sneha Sharma. I'm a driver for Toyota Etios. I'm from Mumbai, and I'm also a junior co-pilot with an airline. I started racing in 2007. I did the MRF National Karting Championship, then the JK Tyre Karting Championship, Polo Cup, and now I'm here.
Hi, I'm Abha Mankar. I'm from Pune. I'm studying FYBA in Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce. I started racing when I was 12. Started with karting and then eventually got into saloons this year.
I'm Dean Mascarenas from Mangalore, and I'm studying in St. Aloysius College. I started racing when I was in the 8th. I started off with bikes, but then slowly moved on to cars. Now I'm racing for Toyota. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Yayati Verma. I'm from Chandigarh. I'm the only one who got selected from North India for this Etios race, and this is the first experience, and I'm very excited. And what should I tell?
So how has this experience been to you guys? You've been here together, I think, for the last whole week, right?
Yes.
So how has this experience been to you?
This experience was total waku. My first race, I got crashed with Sneha, and only then I came to know that in races this such shits happen. So then on the second race I improved because I was a fresher on the track, and the third race also I did well. So overall I'll perform good in the second race, which is going to held in Noida. That's it.
The experience was very nice. I crashed into her, but I bounced with that.
Well, everybody's crashed into your car.
No, not into me, into Abha.
Yeah, into Abha.
Into me?
Into Abha's
When did I
car.
crash into me? Oh, right.
Yeah. So it was pretty good. I liked it a lot. Learned a lot of things. So hopefully I perform better at Delhi.
I think the overall experience has been really great with all the physical fitness and mental fitness training. Saturday was a bad day for me. I flipped, lost control over the car, but then eventually got over it today and finished 6th in the last race today. So I've had a pretty good weekend till now.
Looking at the incidents which happen in races, I realized that how important it is to have a controlled environment for such high speeds, because doing this on roads is like really unsafe, and a lot of gear is required for us to drive safe.
So what are the most important lessons you guys will carry from here for your future? You guys can break into each other so you can talk.
Don't drive like maniacs.
You should have a good control on the car.
Yes.
The speed doesn't matter. Like some people think that they drive very fast, they can race. No, racing is not only the speed. It has to be the full control on the corners, the braking, and it has a lot of driving skills included. So I was thinking that I'm very fast, but coming over here and looking at the corners, to the braking, into the the speed of the car is so much, so it's very difficult. It was very difficult for me to drive in the first lap. Then the experience was good. I learned a lot from Mr. Neela Krishna. What?
Redo that.
You girls are the only female drivers in the set of 25 drivers. How does it feel?
Well, I think we feel a part of the guys actually. We don't really, discriminate between ourselves.
So any message for other girls who are enthusiastic about the sport and have stayed back because they feel there will be some kind of discrimination?
Well, no. I mean, if we can do it, so can you.
Yeah,
So, yes, come ahead, race.
So you made a lot of friends, you've learned a lot of lessons. I hope you guys had a good time.
Yeah, and I'd advise people not to try and be too fast on the roads, because it's really unsafe, and You know, with all the right now there are so many aspects to the safety, with all the hands on the helmet and the seat belts. You know, you're really strapped in, so you know nothing happens to you when you crash. But then on the roads, it's nothing you can do really when you lose control.
That's why seatbelts are of major importance. I see so many of my friends and people not doing it, but on racetrack you can see what it can do to you. So be careful.
So how important was the role of your parents in all this? Because this is a really difficult sport. It is expensive. It is dangerous. So how important is the role of your parents in all this?
I'm jobless right now. So I am a mechanical engineering, but I couldn't find a job. But my mother supported me to a great extent. I'm so happy, and she trusts me, and she supported me in each and every step.
My parents have supported me throughout my life. My sister, who has supported me a lot and who has given me the courage to ride and drive. My dad and mom, who have sponsored me throughout my life. Thank you to...
Yeah, the sport is such that the parents play a really important role, and I'm really grateful to my parents because they've been supportive all throughout, and I really thank them for being there for me.
Well, my parents initially were surprised and not too happy about my interest in the sport, but they have come around it, they have warmed up to it, and they support me now. But however, financial support is really required, which I need sponsors because it's a really expensive sport. So that's the thing.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Thanks.
Congrats.
Yeah.